Today's episode of the NC Miata Track Car Build series is going to be a very quick and no-nonsense one. Getting straight to the point, we're going to be installing the Goodwin Racing Race Single Helmholtz exhaust. This is meant to reduce drone a little bit with that Helmholtz chamber, but it should still open the car up quite a bit and make it significantly louder. We're going to be doing the installation of this exhaust first, and then a full comprehensive comparison of the stock exhaust to this one at idle, while revving, and while under hard acceleration moving with the microphone on the back of the car right by the exhaust tips. So to see the installation, we're about to start that now, and for the comparison, skip ahead in the video based on the chapters that you'll see at the bottom of the screen.